Hi guys, hey, that was a loud one, wasn't it? Hey, welcome back. Hey, another Wednesday, another shave. And have we got a bad one lined up for you today? Hey, you see, because I normally say good. I said a couple of months ago, then I was going to come in here and say, I've got a bad one for you. Come on, we've got a Wednesday whizzer. A Wednesday whizzer, you've seen by the thumbnail, haven't you? We've got some good stuff on the go. The shaving brush, there you go. Check this out. I want to get it the right way up. There you go, yeah. It's the 22mm Phoenix Shavings Astraeus synthetic brush. And we're going to put that in the official John Shaves 101 Super Soaker. Okay, the razor for choice today is the little diddly Merkur 41C, I think that is. I think the difference between the 41C and the 42C, one's an open comb, one's a closed comb. Johnny's got a little aggressive sucker here, the open comb. I know you're all just sat there flying for your keyboards now going, actually John, the open comb doesn't necessarily mean it's what, yeah, whatever. There you go, look, that's what we're going to be putting in it. We're going to be putting in it a mule steel razor. These are on Amazon, guys. And these were £5 for 10. They are expensive, but just give them a go, you know. If you're gonna get, if you can get 4 or 5 shaves out of them, why not? I just thought we would do it. And actually mine came and all the box was all bashed. And I complained to Amazon and he said, just keep it and we'll send you another one out. So I actually got 20 for £5. I'm not advising you should do that, but it does bring Razor culture. Look, see that? Mueller Razor culture. There you go. So we're going to put that in there. Get that on there. And then get that in there. Oh my word, guys. Honestly. What we like today. And look at it. Sitting in there quite the thing. Minimal overhang to be aware of. We'll put that in the water, get some heat in that blade. We're going to balm up with that. Aftercare, thank you, Scouse Ian, that's what he sent me. And then we're going to Floid. We're going a bit old school today. And then the star of the show, here it is. I've used it once before. It's been sat in there for a few years. This is called Barbury's shaving soap. Now, it's a shaving soap, guys, with alum crystals in it. So, and I've just dropped it. There you go. It's been sat in there for years and that's gone for a bird. No, I'll put that there. Oh my word. Come on, John. Calm down. Okay. Put it in a little plastic bag to keep it fresh. I'm going to show you if I can get it up close and show you and see if my camera will pick it up. The crystals in it, can you see them? Is the light picking it up anywhere? I can't see it on my phone, but maybe something will just catch. But there are little alum crystals already in that, and that's what we're going to shave with today. So what we'll do, we'll wet the face. You know how Johnny operates now with a puck like that, how we're going to do it. Each to their own, how they do it. This is my preferred method. I just do this, yeah. I don't use alum. I bought several alum blocks when I started this way of shaving. And I put one on after a shave on about 3 separate occasions. And it was like sulfuric acid to me, guys. It was like sulfuric acid. It really is. So what we'll do is we'll get this. Okay. We may not need this again. I don't think we will. You can't really see the crystals. When I first got it, they were quite pronounced, but we'll just put that there for the new. And there you go. And this is £12.50 off Amazon. This, guys. I think it was £10 when I got it. Here we go. and let's see, you'll see it as I see it. Like I said, it's been sat in there for a few years. If you go back and have a look through my old videos, you'll know exactly when, because I bought it the week of the last time I used it, and I've only used it once before then. I'm going to dip the tips, get a bit of water. I'll tell you right now, it's a thirsty soap. And it is actually made by the French alum company. What are they called? You know, they're like the standard. I just can't remember the name of it. The company that does alum, like the ultimate company. They own this company. I did a bit of research last time around. But yeah. So there you go, it's good stuff, guys. Oh, good stuff. What do you think? We're doing okay, aren't we? Come on, let's get a wriggle on. This is, after all, the Wednesday Whizzer. Oh my word, let's get that round here. And we will go. Let's see. Yeah, it's very, very efficient, this, guys. Very efficient. Don't be fooled by its size, it will bite you. Let's get that in there. I'm due for a haircut, I'm due for a lot of things. How are you all doing? Do you do a midweek shave? Are you a daily shaver? Let me know in the comments. I only shave twice a week. I used to shave 3 times a week, but every shave was like this. So I decided to slow it down a little bit. I think if I was retired, or I wasn't working, or I worked part-time, or I just had more time in the day, I don't think I would be a daily shaver. My skin is way too soft for that. But I would certainly be 3 times a week. And that did okay. There's some residual slickness. There isn't a great deal. I don't see how you can have slickness when you've got alum, which is designed to dry. To my way of thinking, it dries and provides grip, doesn't it? So you put that in a soap, it's going to counteract any properties that try and create residual slickness. That's maybe just me. There, look at this, guys, there. Okay, here we go. I do the 3-pass system, me. Your skin, my skin grows in so many different directions. You can spend all day doing them all, but I have found, for me, one that captures 99.9% of it for me is down, across, in any direction, and then against. That seems to... A work colleague did say he'd cut himself, he had quite a pronounced Adam's apple. And I haven't, but I said if you swallow and hold it, so if you hold a swallow, your Adam's apple will retract. Give that a try. If you want, let me know. But that will help. And then I do know people, other people too, with quite pronounced Adam's apples, will pull the skin down and shave, or they'll pull the skin to the side and shave, or you can just go in the middle of your Adam's apple. And just shave outwards from the middle. That will help as well. But yeah, if you get a soap with good slickness properties, good slippery, slidey soap, generally speaking, you will be okay. Well, we did okay, didn't we, guys? Little alum. There you go. I mean, if you like alum and you like it in your soap and you like this is a bargain to be had, guys. An absolute bargain to be had. I think I checked just before coming in here, and on Amazon UK it was something like £12.50, and that's a big old 3.5 ounce. That's a big old hefty block. I mean, if you'd a mind to, you could get that. I mean, you could get that. It's the logo on the front there, and you could maybe even crush that into an old P88 or an old Sterling pot or something. And then I would imagine in that instance, lathering right from there with a brush, you would create volumes and volumes and volumes of lather, wouldn't you? Got to be careful with the top lip, top lip, guys. How do we do? There you go. That's that. Whoa. We did okay, didn't we? We did okay. Look at this, shall we see? I'm not expecting a lot from the old lather mittens. Well, it was alright, guys. It was alright, wasn't it? Yeah, it's the usual suspects. The usual suspects. Oh, just dry the old handies off here. The old handy pandies. So please let me know what you think of the stuff in today's shave. Let me know what your shave of the day is. And anything else. Anything else, just let us know in the comments. Click like. If you're not already a subscriber, please subscribe. YouTube is always telling me, and around about 50% of you that watch these videos aren't subscribers. I'm trying to get to 2,000. I'm about 170, about 130 off it. Yeah, I've got a shed load of stuff to give away. So maybe I'll organise something like that with a 2,000 subscriber giveaway or something. I've not done it before today, guys, because the shipping, I've got like 10 or 12 brushes to give away. And I'm trying to figure out how to do it, because I tried to send a parcel to Thailand a while ago and they wanted £30, the cheapest. Oh, so anyway, we'll figure it out. Look at this. Hey, we did okay, didn't we? You're all jealous now, aren't you? Well, I came in here and shaved 10 years off for £5. Look at that. Absolutely wunderbar. Okay. Floyd. Is it Floyd or is it Floyd? You see, there's a little accent mark over the eye. So I think it's Floyd. If you know different, let me know. But nobody else has ever said it. So I'm the first on YouTube. Just remember that. You know, in 3 months' time, they're all going, oh, Floyd, Floyd. I say, oi, John Shaves said it first. You charlatan. Charlatan. Oh. That is good stuff. That is like a proper, authentic barbershop scent. Absolutely wonderful. And then the Apothecary grooming balm. It says with peppermint extract and vitamins, prickly pear and witch hazel. The scent will meld in with this. But replacement, it does actually, yeah, it's going to do very well. I'm not too bothered about it because I'm going to hop in the shower. Most people in the wet shaving world will have a shower then a shave. I prefer it the other way around. I like the feel of lovely, fresh, clean, warm water running down a freshly shaved face. It's wunderbar. What are we up to? 15 minutes. Record. Hey, what do you reckon? We did okay, didn't we? We did okay, didn't we? Okay, guys. Like bright nights, like bright hearts. Remember, be the change you want to see in the world. Be the change, honestly, because do you know what? Getting angry and getting jealous and being bitter and being twisted, it ruins you. It soils your heart, physically and emotionally. There's no need for it. So, no matter what anybody does, like Patrick Swayze at the Roadhouse, be nice. And I will see you on the Saturday shave. Bye.